Good morning students. Today we are going to start name the pictures. First of all, write down date. Do page number 93, 93 and 94. Sound of I. What is the sound of I? I. So let's start. What is this? Bin. Bin. Write down bin. B E N bin. B I N bin. B I N bin. Next, sit. S I T sit. S I C T sit. Next, what is this? Pig. P I G pig. P I G pig. Next, lid. Lid. L I D lid. L I D lid. L I D lid. Next, what is this? This is a fig. F I G fig. F I G fig. F I G fig. What is this? This is a hill. हिल होते ना पहाड़. ह I डबल ल हिल. ह I डबल ल हिल. What is this? Zip. Z zip. Z I P zip. Z I P zip. Z I P zip. And what is this? This is a lip. L I P lip. L I P lip. L I P lip. What is this? This is a fish. F I fish. श की साउंड क्या होती है? स ह होता है श. स ह श. F I F I sh fish. S H sh fish. Next, what is this? This is a pen. P I N pen. P I N pen. So students, complete page number 93 and 94. Name the picture. Sound of I. Thank you for watching this video.